खादिम हुसैन है। मैं अपने बीवी बच्चों के साथ यहाँ लाइनों पे रह रहा हूँ। कागज रद्दी का काम करता हूँ, कभी यहाँ धक्के खाता हूँ, कभी वहाँ धक्के खा रहे हूँ। ये दो को ठुटा मार के होते गाल दो, चलो तोड़ जाओ, इतना बहुत। सबसे बड़ी ख्वाहिश है कि मेरे बच्चों के लिए घर बन जाए। रोटी तो मांग के खा रहे हैं, लंगर ले लेते हैं, सदका ले लेते हैं। अल्लाह उनको देने वालों का भला करे। ज्यादा डर तो साढ़े रंगे गरीबन हुए ही होंगे यार, बगैर कार दे कोई पाले मगर कोई सानू छुड़ाने वाला कोई नहीं।
Assigned NGOs deliver services to Khadim for free and share progress data with the case officer, who then shares it with case donors on the platform. The case officer manages Khadim's progress and service delivery partners, much like a counselor. Users transparently get important multimedia updates on cases they've supported. Users can form giving circles among friends, family, and colleagues, letting everyone collaborate and see what others are up to. Users get to manage their philanthropy on their phones the same way they do their bank and brokerage accounts. Users have access to a wealth of data that ranks and rates all actors on the platform. Impact is measured by comparing beginning and ending poverty indicators to show improvements in living standards. There are 1 billion people in the world like Khadim who need our help to break the chains of extreme poverty. There are 1 billion people in the world like us that need an effective way to channel our compassion and money to where it's needed most. The Global Development Exchange unites everyone to uplift humanity, household to household. GDX is seeking all types of support from people and organizations that share the same vision to serve humanity. Join us.